Presenting the Auxein Knee Arthroscopy Instruments Set. With its sturdy construction and ergonomic design, the box is engineered to protect the delicate instruments inside during transit and storage, ensuring they arrive in optimal condition for surgical use. Instruments Tray A. This set tray comprises femoral cannulated reamers, tibial cannulated reamers, graft sizer, tunnel plugs, tunnel dilators, femoral and tibial cannulated reamers ranging from diameter 6 mm to 12 mm in 0.5 mm incremental steps. Instruments Tray B. This tray of the set contains drill guide handle, ACL and PCL drill hammers, transtibial femoral offset guides, and screwdriver shaft Auxein coupling, cannulated reamer, nitinol guide wire, passing pin, trocar tip pin, drill guide bullets, staple impactor, and quick coupling T-handle for tunnel dilators. Instruments Tray C. This tray of the set contains tendon strippers, rasps, and depth gauge. Tendon strippers closed end and open end with variations of 6, 7, and 8 mm in sizes. Instruments Tray D. This tray of the set contains microfracture awls, arthroscopic probe, femoral offset guides, screwdrivers for titanium and polymer interference screws, ratchet handle for Auxein coupling screwdriver shaft, curette, PCL elevator. Knee Arthroscopy Instrument Set.
Auxein.